and welcome back to MarineMax Rogers for another walkthrough. Today I have the opportunity of showing you guys this beautiful Nautique G23 Paragon. It's a brand new 2023. Looking at this color scheme, we have the steel blue metal flake. It looks phenomenal against the haze gray accent from the whole bottom to the whole rear. Looking up at the two-stage telescoping tower, you'll see that it's a haze gray color as well. The tower itself has a big bimini structure on it with all that framing around it, and that's going to stay up there and stay stationary just like that. No folding down. It just stays up, which is really nice. Easy and convenient for the boat owner. Up on that tower, I'll point out as we get into the interior, the tower speakers, the board racks. You'll see the actual design of the windshield is very unique. You have kind of a cutout right here, and on the driver's side, it's really nice to have that cutout because it makes it easier to see around that windshield and down when you're picking up your rider on the water if they fall. As we make our way to the back here, you do have the gas cap fill right here on this side, and it's the same on the other side. Your wake subs are in the back. Really cool feature. It provides that extra sound for the rider that's surfing or possibly wakeboarding behind your boat. Really cool to have this. Just really creates a really cool experience. Looking at this platform as we make our way to the back here, we have the Anthracite Sea Deck, and that continues all the way up and into the cockpit. So it's a really nice sea deck color. Looks sharp. Doesn't show a lot of dirt, which is really nice. Down below, you have your standard Nautique surf pipe here. We have your steering assist down here as well. Underwater lights, your NSS Nautique surf system. A little ladder that pulls out, makes it easy to get up out of the water if you need to. Otherwise, you can certainly hop onto this platform from the water. You're gonna have a nice 3-step into the cockpit there, really gradual steps. And when we get into the interior, I'll point out the big loungers that this Paragon has. Let's go take a peek at it. Well, you'll see I'm in a very comfortable position right now in the back of the boat. The Paragon comes optioned with these beautiful lounging seats here in the transom. You can sit in these seats when you're actually anchored and the boat's not moving. When the boat's underway, you technically cannot be sitting in these seats. There is no railing in the back. Just a little tip for the day. But you'll see, very ergonomic. It's so comfortable. You have a cup holder off to your right here. Again, your wake subs are right here too, so you can kind of hear that sound, which is cool. Another cup holder down below here. You'll see the nice 3-step into the cockpit, sea deck throughout, which is really nice. You have a transom stereo remote right here, so you can control your sound system from right here. Backward, forward, pause, play. Change the volume if you need to. And you'll see when the actual transom seat is folded down, you have this nice sea deck step pad here to actually board your boat. So you're not stepping on any upholstery, which is really convenient, really nice. It makes the vinyl last longer. I'll get up here, let's walk into the interior. You'll see the steps are really easy to step down. As we get inside here, I'll point to the tower first. You have the nice swivel board racks, they're strapless. Lift up, put your board in, clamp it down, really easy. They twist out like so, lock into place like that. Again, your 2-stage telescoping tower. Your speaker housing is up here. Each housing has 2 speakers, so there's 4 in total, giving you just plenty of sound for the back of the boat, for the cockpit with all the speakers in here. All of the cup holders have the enhanced cruise lighting package, so they light up to different color schemes. Green, red, you can choose whatever you'd like through the link pan array screen, okay? Again, as we make our way forward, some more. I'll point more towards the switches here. Here are your switches for the telescoping tower. Really easy to control. The engine hatch is also actuated, so you can use the 2 buttons right here to actually lift your engine hatch up to access it, which is really unique, really cool. Simple too. At the actual helm, you have this very beautiful bolstering, the Paragon logo right here, which is just beautiful, just very nicely done. The ergonomics of this helm feels great. As you sit in this seat, you have a nice cutout right here so you can swing your leg around and quickly talk to anybody that's in the cockpit here. You have the beautiful stitching throughout this entire boat. Bolstering is phenomenal. Again, throttle is off to your right, a beautiful armrest with your encoded rotary dial. Hotkeys are around that dial. At your link pan array here, there is actually two of them. One displays all your information on this side that you can actually touch and change and go through. Your link pan array off to your left is a stationary link pan array, so all that information on that screen is fixed. It won't change. It displays engine information, water temperature, a lot of things of that nature. You have your premium leather wrap steering wheel here, 3-spoke design, some stitching inside. The details are incredible in this boat. As we look more towards the passenger seat, this seat is heated, the driver's seat is heated, okay? This lifts up, plenty of storage. You have a recessed glove box right here, again with all the stitch work. Lifts up like so. You have a lot of storage in there, your JL Audio head unit that you can use if you would like. There's USBs for charging. Again, there's USBs on this entire boat for charging. Close this up. Again, a recessed glove box provides great visibility for the driver to see through the windshield and in further into the lake. You have some nice speakers up front by the windshield here, kind of reflecting that sound back into the cockpit, which is nice. That's on both sides. And as we make our way more towards the bow, I'll point out this beautiful air dam that pulls out, locks into place like that. You close your windshield just like so. Turn your heaters on, because there are heaters in this boat that you can pull out and use around the cockpit area and in the bow. And now you can stay out until, well, in Minnesota, September to October, go surfing. Water might be cold, but you'll stay warm in the boat. So that's kind of nice. Really easy to slide back into place. Feels like it's built really solid. As you get up towards the bow here, you have armrests that pop up like so. This bow filler can switch over to the other side and actually is sea deck, so you can walk out right out the front, which is pretty unique, pretty cool. Press the button, armrests fold down. All the bolstering up front, really nicely done. You just feel like you're locked into this boat as you're up in the bow. It's nicely done. Again, cup holders, there are 6 in total up in the bow, 2 speakers up front. They've done a nice job with the design and the functionality of this entire boat. One thing I'll point out too, just before I take off here today, there is a wireless phone charger. I know in today's age, everybody wants to stay connected to their phones. Everybody wants to have quick and easy charging. So there is that too on this 2023 Nautique G23 Paragon. Guys, if you have any questions at all about this beautiful boat, give us a call at MarineMax Rogers or come stop by. We'd be glad to help you out or answer any questions that you do have. Other than that, have a great rest of your day and we'll see you soon.